Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming licenses and assigning a security admin role so onboarding works. Once done, choose an onboarding method. Intune is easiest for managed fleets. Use scripts for mixed environments. Make sure to prepare network rules and proxy settings so devices can reach Microsoft Service endpoints. Then generate and download the onboarding package for your chosen method and keep the sensor configuration handy. This gets devices reporting quickly and prevents common connectivity delays. You now deploy the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Sensor to targeted device groups and monitor install status. After deployment, configure attack surface reduction rules and web protection so threats are blocked proactively. Then set EDR detection levels and telemetry to balance data volume with visibility. Make sure automated investigation and remediation playbooks are assigned to reduce manual triage. Finally, validate via the onboarding status dashboard and sample alerts to confirm detections flow into the portal. You finish by validating sensor health and confirming devices appear in inventory with live alerts. Once validated, tune alerts and rules to reduce noise, adjust severities, and add targeted exclusions only when necessary. If something fails, start troubleshooting by checking connectivity to service endpoints, proxy or firewall blocks, and then review sensor logs. Re-onboard problematic devices if needed. One key tip: enable verbose logging temporarily to capture diagnostic details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.